Hi, this is Donuts here. Um, this is my second video on YouTube, so you know I'm trying to get the hang of it. Um, I'm going to be singing Church Bells, the Beyonce's version. That's my favorite thing in the whole wide world. So I hope you like it. I'm singing it a cappella because I couldn't find the instrumental. So I'll get started. I heard church bells ring. I heard a choir singing. I saw my love walk down the aisles on her finger. He placed the ring. Whoa, whoa, I saw them holding hands. She was standing there with my man. I heard them promise to death do us part. These words were a pain in my heart. Now the wedding is over. The rice has been thrown over their heads. I was losing the man that I love, and all I can do was cry. That'll be it.